Hello all, this is Alexander Elias. I've got a new demo here for you. It's a user account application. This is the Android version, if you couldn't tell already. And we have login here. We're going to go ahead and log in. This is the same, basically, application we built last week with some modifications, primarily data validation and network, verifying and checking network connectivity, so those are some of the new things that you haven't seen since the last video. So let's go ahead and show you the update first. So we have the ability here to update the favorite section. As you can see here, we have the color red and the number 3. So let's go ahead and change those. So we have number 3 here, and we're going to change that to 7, and we have color, and we have 2 options here, red or blue. We'll go ahead and change that to red. I think it was blue last time. So there we go. So we have 7 and red. So we have update capabilities. That is allowed there. So we have some. This is actually the input here has a input type, and it is a numbers keyboard. Let's see if we can find it here. There we go. So input type number. So the keyboard doesn't show up because I've got my physical keyboard connected to my computer here. On a regular device. So that's one input method, our type validation, and we have a few others here. We're obviously verifying that the type is not empty, or that the variable isn't empty, and it doesn't have value. So if you try to submit a non-value, it's just going to either warn you or exit. If you try to submit the wrong value, it doesn't let you because of the input type. So that's in place. Then we also have here another check, although it's not necessarily necessary because the input type is defined. But if it wasn't, we're checking to make sure that the string is actually in number format. And if it's not, it alerts the user. So there's, I believe, 3 different ones right now, and then we're doing the same thing for the picker here, although the picker is limited to the 2 predefined variables. We're still verifying that value also. Yeah, there. Let's see. So that's those 2. Let's go ahead and go to. We showed you the input type, and we showed that validation. Oh, let's go ahead and do network connectivity real quick. So let's go ahead and turn this airplane mode on. There we go. If it'll load, come on. There we go. Okay. So now if we come into the app, it has that data cached, which is nice. So it doesn't warn you just yet that you have been disconnected from the internet. But if you go ahead and try to submit an action, we have internet connection required. So we have that notification or alert being submitted. We also have that for, if you attempt to log in, obviously, or if you attempt to log up. So that validation is in there. So you're pretty much safe on that end. And we could see that the data populates instantly. It doesn't even need polling. It just automatically happens as soon as the data is inputted into the database, and that's provided by Firebase there. And yeah, so that is that. That pretty much covers the lesson. Thanks very much.